Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix MetaQuest app not working. So guys, the first solution in order for you to fix this is go to your Google Play Store and search for MetaQuest. And guys, make sure you have the latest version of the app. So from here, when you have an update, you will be able to see it over here and make sure to update the MetaQuest. So guys, if this solution doesn't work, let's go to the second solution. So first things first, go to the settings. And then after on the settings, just go to the apps. And then from the apps, guys, just find Meta Quest. And then after you find Meta Quest, just tap on it. And then go to storage. And from the storage, just tap on clear cache and also clear data. From there, you will be able to fix the issue. And guys, if the second solution doesn't work, now let's discuss the third solution. From the third solution, try reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application over here. And once you uninstall it, just go back to the Google Play Store and now install the application again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Meta Quest application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.